air was electric with tension as Lily and Mondley faced off, their words sharp like daggers laced with the bitterness of unresolved grievances. Lily's heart raced, a tumultuous storm of grief and fury, each accusation igniting her pain like a wildfire. Their heated argument was not just a clash of voices, but a violent outpouring of emotional turmoil that transformed the room into a battlefield of unresolved emotions. As the confrontation escalated, Lily's overwhelming grief morphed into a fierce need for control, leading her to unearth a weapon that trembled in her hands, a gun. This act was a jarring reflection of her spiraling mental state, a poignant symbol of her loss of control. With eyes wild and unyielding, she aimed at Mondley, her pain manifesting in a desperate act that screamed of emotional collapse, pushing the bounds of justice to a perilous brink. But just as the storm threatened to burst, Niawo, a figure embodying reason, stepped in, bravely yet cautionarily attempting to calm the chaos. Yet Lily, consumed by her tumultuous feelings, redirected her fury towards Niawo, unfurling her anguish like an uncontrollable wave. His instinct to flee became a desperate dance of survival against the firestorm brewing inside her. This pivotal moment served as a harrowing testament to Lily's emotional decay, revealing how her suffering had utterly eclipsed her sense of justice, leaving destruction in its wake.
Jez! Jez, akwenzakalanga?
Nuka.
Kanti wena uba uyenzile le nto, Jez? Kuzomele sihambe esibhedlela njengamanje, sukuma. Woza, Jez, sidinga ukuphuthuma. Sidinga ukuthi uzame ukusukuma, Jez. Kuzomele siye esibhedlela manje. Sukuma.
Ngithi mina undaba ezithi ubeka uba umkhulu siza ukuthi abe yibamba lapha endlende.
Kecha ayikwazi ukwenzeka leyo nto.
Nakho kuyenzeka nje.
Kuza kanjani ukuthi kuzobekwa umuntu mina ngingekho ngingatshelwa mina ukuthi kunomuntu ozobekwa ubawo njengomlomo wenkosi mina ngingekho lapho ubawo owayekhona wavuma leyo nto leyo ukuthi kubeka umuntu.
Okusho ukuthi awubalekile kanjalo ubucabanga ngayo.
Iwe Kecha umkhulu owenze yonke lento le.
Nkazimula, yabo lo buholo obungenayo bungeniswa ukuthi wena usuke waxamukela.
Jez, uyopha nje.
Isakala uhlungu nje. Amukela. Ukwenzani kwami Kecha? Ukuhambisa isigebengu endaweni efanele ukuqhamukela lokho.
Nkazimula, yabona uba umkhulu siza ngoba ngene njengamanje. Uyena uzobe ethatha iqomo. Yonke into sobe sizwa ngayo. Nemgomo nemibandela ezokubekwa kuye. Awuzongiyavisa yini?
Wena Kecha yini ngiyakhetha. Ngifuna ukusaba somkhosi. Manje.
Nkazimula Mhlongo, wena awulo mzuzu sosusiwe esihlalweni sobuholi basendlende nesikhundla sobamlomo wenkosi siyakususa kusona. Asoze nje wena watholakala ebuholini basendlende. Ukuqhubeka futhi kulokho ngiyakudingisa ngawo lo mzuzu ukuthi ungaphinde ulibhade endlende elakho izwi akumelanga lizwa ngale ndlela. Waze wayebandakanya nendaba zasendlende. Hlalo wazi ukuthi lokho sokuthatha njengevume lambuso futhi uzojeza ngendlela ebuhlungu.